Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video, we'll try to solve the issue when you press the home button while playing any YouTube video. My intention is it should stop playing and nothing should play from the YouTube. Means it's almost like closing the YouTube. But see here, still it is playing in a small window, a pop-up window sort of thing. So how you can disable this or turn off this option? Actually, for few people this would be useful option. For few people like me, actually don't want. Means when I press this home button, my intention is closing. So how you can disable this option? Click on your Android phone settings and then click on the apps here. Then click on see all apps and here find the YouTube, which will be available at the last actually. Where is this YouTube? Here click on this YouTube and under the permissions or what, yeah, picture in picture at the bottom, I'll be disabling this. Now we'll quickly check by playing the same video and the same action, right? See, now this has worked. If you like this video and feel this is informative, please do hit a like. That would be a great help for me, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.